Hey, it's Greg Robinson with Terminal 2W. So here's a quick question. In the golden age of travel, was there more space in the cabin? Well, actually, there kind of was. See, the thing is the overhead compartments often were open hat racks in the 60s, and in the 70s, they became closed compartments, but you didn't really put a suitcase in those. You put like a purse or you put a coat, maybe a hanging bag, but that was it. So the cabins did seem a little bit more spacious. On the other hand, you checked your bags, and did it take a while to get them? Yes, it did. In fact, I think that's often one of the points of pain that people often forget. Baggage handling took quite a while at times. And was it more open and airy? Sure. In fact, if you want to see something interesting, look at this. Now, watch more of Terminal 2W. Thanks for watching.